Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add Google AdSense to Wix website. To start this tutorial, open manage.wix.com in your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you are on Wix, scroll down to the left side and try to look for Settings. Once you find it, click on Settings. In here, you'll need to click on Custom Code under Advanced. You can find this by scrolling down to the bottom. In here, to add a custom code, you need to upgrade your site and connect a domain. So all you have to do first is to make sure you have already upgraded your Wix website or your subscription. Now, assuming that you have already upgraded, you now go to google.com/AdSense. And then, just save it. Over here, you can use this AdSense code. All you have to do is click on Copy. And then, you go to your Wix website. After you upgrade your Wix, you just click on the button that says plus add custom code. And then, you will paste the code that we gotten from Google AdSense. You will just need to paste it here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.